A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Patience is a bitter plant, but its fruit is sweet. When the winds of change blow, some people build walls, while others build windmills. A book holds a house of gold. A wise man makes his own luck. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. The palest ink is better than the best memory. A diamond with a flaw is worth more than a pebble without imperfections. A bird does not sing because it has an answer. It sings because it has a song. A smile will gain you 10 more years of life. Dig the well before you are thirsty. A good neighbor is better than a distant relative. The best fighter is never angry. If you want happiness for an hour, take a nap. If you want happiness for a day, go fishing. If you want happiness for a year, inherit a fortune. If you want happiness for a lifetime, help somebody. Do not fear going forward slowly. Fear only to stand still. The person who says it cannot be done should not interrupt the person doing it. An inch of time is worth an inch of gold, but you can't buy that inch of time with an inch of gold. The frog in the well knows nothing of the great ocean. To know the road ahead, ask those coming back. A single conversation with a wise person is worth a month's study of books. Do not remove a fly from your friend's forehead with a hatchet. A nation's treasure is in its scholars. When you drink the water, remember the spring. A fall into a ditch makes you wiser. A wise man adapts himself to circumstances, as water shapes itself to the vessel that contains it. Give a man a fish, and you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish, and you feed him for a lifetime. If you don't want anyone to know, don't do it. He who strikes first admits he has lost the argument. A wise man never loses anything if he has himself. Talk doesn't cook rice. If you want to find out about the road ahead, ask about it from those coming back. A single tree cannot make a forest. To open a shop is easy. To keep it open is an art. Learning is a treasure that will follow its owner everywhere. A clear conscience is a soft pillow. Better to light a candle than to curse the darkness. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Do not do unto others what you do not want others to do unto you. When one door closes, another opens. A person who says it cannot be done should not interrupt the person doing it. A wise man learns by the mistakes of others.